Hi guys, welcome to another video. Alright, for today's look, I did the horoscope challenge. So my sign is Libra, and when I did my research, I found out that the colors that are associated with my sign are blue and pink. So this look is mainly blue and pink. I incorporate a little bit of purple, but it's really a blue and pink inspired look. I found out that my element is actually air, so it's supposed to be kind of a light flowy look. My sign, which is Libra, the sign for it or whatever is the scale, which means that I am a person who is always trying to achieve balance and harmony, and that is so me. It's crazy, it's so me. I'm not one for contention, I'm not one for picking sides, I'm one for just trying to get everything balanced and get everybody living in peace, and that is Libra. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look right here, stay tuned to the end of the video. Thank you guys for the support, and thank you guys for the love, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The button right here, so the red button right there, so me and wait on you. Click it. Like, yeah. Alright guys, thank you and enjoy the video.
Alright guys, so starting out this look, my brows already done off camera, and I already primed my lid. I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Alright, so starting my first shade, which is my transition shade, is that purple for my BH Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna just use this in my crease area. Alright, so next I'm gonna use this pink shade to put over my transition shade, pretty much straight up to my brow bone. I don't know if you guys can see a big difference, because I really did not see. I don't know, I'm not a fan of, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, which I doubt it. I'm just not really a big fan of this palette. The colors, oh my god, because this right now, this pink shade looks a lot like the purple shade, so I'm not seeing a big difference. However, moving on to cutting my crease, I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer. I think this is in the shade Pure Beige, and that's what I'm going to use to cut my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to use the white shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It kind of has some little glitters inside, so it's not the white plain shade. This is kind of shimmery shade. So I'm going to use that at the beginning of my cut crease area. Alright, now right after that white shade, I'm going to use this pink from my Beauty Creations Anna palette. And I'm going to basically use that to follow up the white shade that I put at the beginning of my crease. Or the beginning of my cut crease. Alright, so the last shade I'm going to use is that deep purple shade, and this is going to follow the pink. Is it the only? It's the second purple that I use, but this look was mainly just pinks and blues. Alright, so right now I am going to use this purple liner. This is by Mary Kay, I think. And I'm going to use that to line my lids. I think I should have done a chunkier liner because it was barely noticeable peeking under my lashes. So maybe I should have used a chunkier liner, but I mean, it's a start and it gave me the look that I was looking for the most part. Alright, so I did my face off camera. That is my foundation as well as my concealer. Now I'm going to use my LA Pro primer in the shade white to use on my bottom lashes, or under my bottom lashes. Alright, and then I'm gonna start using my blue eyeshadow. This is from my Beauty Creations palette. I'm gonna go over the pro primer that I used, the eyeshadow primer that I used. I'm gonna go over it with this blue so it pops, and let me tell you, from the end results you can see that it really popped. It was really pigmented. I'm happy I used this blue because it really carried off the look. Alright, so I'm gonna line my lips with this brown lip liner or lip pencil. After which I'm gonna use my Klean color. Yeah, I think it's Klean color. My Klean color lip or liquid Madly Matte liquid lip gloss to put in the center of my lips. Alright, so right now I'm adding some highlight to my cheeks. I'll be adding it to my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow as well. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching my video to the end. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel.